most of the people, they don't want to win. They thought that it's hard to win. That's why they settle for less, or just saying, okay na to, tama na to, because they're afraid of the responsibility that along the way, if they want to become successful. And it's hard, because they choose not to win because they're afraid. At napakasakit nito para dun sa mga taong mahal mo, sa mga taong naniniwala sa'yo, sa kakayanan na meron ka. Napakasakit nito na makita ka that you have the potentials but you don't do anything for your goals. Yung ina-accept mo na lang na wala kang magagawa or wala kang kayang gawin kasi naniniwala ka na you're a loser. Friend, you're not a loser. Don't allow yourself to be a loser. Take the chance to win. Take the opportunities to show yourself that you are the winner. Lahat tayo may potential. Lahat tayo may kakayanan. Show yourself to the world. Huwag mong hayaan na ma-disappoint or huwag mong hayaan na masaktan or malungkot yung mga taong naniniwala sa'yo because they know that you have the capacity to win. They know that you have the capacity to do such things. Maniwala ka lang sa sarili mo and take the opportunity, grab the opportunity. Ganun talaga yun. Greater responsibility kapag you have a greater goal in your life. Huwag ka matakot kasi along the way, once you declare to yourself that you are a winner sa lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo, God guide you. Kasi siya man mismo, lahat tayo we are a winner. Kaya, huwag mo hayaan na maging tulad ka sa iba na they don't want to win. Just win. Just take the opportunity to win. And it's your chance to show yourself. Thank you everyone and God bless.